Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own Alfredo sauce. To begin, gather your key ingredients: heavy cream, fresh Parmesan cheese, unsalted butter, and garlic. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and authentic Alfredo. Using high-quality ingredients makes a significant difference in the final taste and texture of your creamy sauce. Let's get started. Now, let's start cooking. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Next, slowly whisk in 1½ cups of heavy cream. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can cause the cream to separate. For the perfect consistency, remove the pan from the heat before adding your cheese. Stir in 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and smooth. This step is crucial for a lump-free sauce. Season your Alfredo with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. If the sauce seems too thick, a splash of pasta water can help achieve the ideal texture. Your homemade Alfredo sauce is now ready. Toss it immediately with your favorite cooked pasta to ensure every strand is coated beautifully. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh parsley or a sprinkle of additional grated Parmesan cheese. Remember to serve the sauce promptly, as it tends to thicken quite a bit as it cools. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.